The Great Wall of China stretches over 13,170 miles, making it one of the longest structures ever built. Constructed over several centuries, the wall's purpose has been debated by historians, with some arguing it was built to keep out invading armies, while others claim it was used to control trade and immigration. In 221 to 206 BCE, the Qin dynasty began constructing the wall to protect their empire from the Mongols and other nomadic tribes. The wall's construction continued through the Han dynasty, with 2,500 miles of the wall built during this time. Today, the Great Wall of China is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting millions of visitors each year. Here's why that matters. The Great Wall of China was first constructed during the 7th century BCE, with the Chu state building a 300-mile-long wall to protect themselves from neighboring states. The wall was initially made of rammed earth, wood, and stone, with watchtowers and beacon towers built at regular intervals. In 221 to 206 BCE, the Qin dynasty began constructing a longer, more fortified wall, using thousands of laborers and local materials. The wall was built to protect the Chinese Empire from invading armies, including the Mongols and other nomadic tribes. The wall's construction required the labor of over 300,000 workers, with many of them losing their lives during the process. The Great Wall of China was constructed using local materials, including stone, brick, and rammed earth. The wall's height and width varied, with some sections reaching as high as 30 feet and as wide as 20 feet. The wall was built with a series of watchtowers and beacon towers, which were used to send signals to other parts of the wall in case of an attack. The wall was also used to control trade and immigration, with customs offices and border checkpoints built along the wall. During the Han Dynasty, the wall was extended by over 2,500 miles, with the wall becoming a major factor in the dynasty's military strategy. Despite its reputation as an impenetrable barrier, the Great Wall of China has been breached several times throughout history. In 1644 CE, the Manchu people crossed the wall and conquered China, establishing the Qing dynasty. The wall was also breached by the Mongols in the 13th century, who used a combination of cavalry and siege engines to break through the wall. In fact, the wall was often used as a symbolic barrier, rather than a physical one, with many invaders simply going around the wall or bribing border officials to gain entry. The wall's myth of impenetrability has been exaggerated over time, with many historians arguing that the wall was not as effective as previously thought. The Great Wall of China is not only an important historical landmark but also a symbol of Chinese culture and engineering. The wall has been recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1987 and attracts millions of visitors each year. The wall's construction has also inspired similar projects around the world, including the Roman walls in England and the Hadrian's Wall in Scotland. The wall's significance extends beyond China, with many countries studying the wall's construction and purpose to learn more about ancient engineering and military strategy. In recent years, the wall has become a popular tourist destination, with many visitors hiking and camping along the wall. In recent years, the Chinese government has made efforts to preserve and restore the Great Wall, including the construction of new watchtowers and the repair of damaged sections. The wall is now protected by law, with strict regulations in place to prevent damage or destruction. However, the wall still faces many challenges, including erosion, pollution, and over-tourism. The Chinese government has implemented measures to reduce the impact of tourism, including limiting the number of visitors and restricting access to certain sections of the wall. The preservation of the wall is an ongoing process, with many organizations and individuals working to protect the wall for future generations. In conclusion, the Great Wall of China is an impressive architectural achievement that has played a significant role in Chinese history. While its construction and purpose are often shrouded in myth, the wall remains an important symbol of Chinese culture and engineering. As we continue to learn more about the wall's history and significance, we can appreciate the ingenuity and determination of the people who built it. Subscribe for more deep dives.